Coming up on Oregon News Now at 4.
Good afternoon, I'm Matt Templeman. From anorexia to bulimia, there are lots of different eating disorders and they can cause organ damage, even be fatal. Surprisingly, few treatment centers are out there, but a new one just opened. We'll explain the therapy it provides. The pressure is building on local food banks at 4. Wide demand for their services is suddenly hitting new highs. And you may be tempted to wear shorts on Saturday, but bring an umbrella. Holden's Storm Tracker forecast at 4.